Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today, we're going to talk about aspirin, also known as acetylsalicylic acid. Aspirin is a widely used medicine to relieve pain, reduce fever, and decrease inflammation. It's also often prescribed to prevent heart attacks and strokes in people at high risk. But how exactly does it work? Aspirin works by blocking certain enzymes in our body that are involved in the production of prostaglandins, which are substances responsible for pain and inflammation. By doing this, aspirin helps us relieve those symptoms. Regarding the dosage, it's very important to follow your doctor's instructions. Usually, to relieve pain and fever, people take between 325 and 50 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, but without exceeding 4 grams per day. To prevent heart problems, the dose is usually much lower, around 75 to 100 milligrams a day. Now let's talk about side effects. Aspirin can cause stomach discomfort, stomach ulcers, and in rare cases, gastrointestinal bleeding. It's also important to know that you should not give aspirin to children or teenagers with flu symptoms or chickenpox because of the risk of developing Reye syndrome. To sum up, aspirin is a useful tool, but it must be used carefully. Always follow your doctor's instructions and don't hesitate to consult them if you have any questions. That's all for today. I hope this information has been useful to you. Take care and see you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.